Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear your search history in Windows 11. Have you ever wondered how to clear this search history or even turn it off? Well, I have got you covered. First of all, to clear your search history, you will need to click on the search icon on your Windows 11 operating system. Then, simply search for the Settings app and click on it to open. Inside the Settings app, navigate to the Privacy and Security option. Scroll down a bit and you will find the Search Permissions section. Here, you will see the History subsection. This is where the magic happens. To clear your device's search history, just click on the Clear Device Search History option. It's as simple as that. But what if you want to go a step further and disable the search history altogether? Well, you can do that too. Here you will find a toggle button. Simply click on it to turn off the search history. This means no new searches will be saved, giving you a fresh start. After you have cleared the history and disabled the option, go ahead and click on the search icon again. You will notice that there's no search history displayed anymore. It's like starting with a clean slate. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.